Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Michael. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your windows into a big light panel. So if you're interested in learning how to do this, don't go anywhere and stay here with me. Alright guys, and we're back. So this year you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to start blogging, maybe you want to start taking photography, product photography, but you don't have all the resources. You have a camera, you have a microphone, maybe you have a tripod, but maybe you don't have the best lighting equipment, or maybe you don't have lighting at all. So today I'm going to show you a simple setup where you can actually use your window as your key light and turn it into a panel light. In fact, I'm shooting right now using my window as my light source. This will be my only light source for this video. I will not be using any professional lighting for this video. So I'm about to show you this very simple setup, and also I'm going to show you how to photograph products, toys, action figures using this same light source. Hey, what's up guys, sorry for the interruption. I wanted to ask you for a small favor. If you are enjoying my video, can you do me a favor? Can you hit that like button? It helps me a lot here with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you like the content I'm producing, you're welcome to subscribe. If you do subscribe here to the channel, don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my video. And last, if you're on Instagram, you can follow me at michaels.collectible. And now back to today's video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start it. So first thing, go ahead and find your window. If you have blinds, let's go ahead and open up your blinds. Now, when you use a blind, you may notice that the light is a little bit harsh depending on the light. If the sun is hitting directly into the window, then the light's going to be really harsh. If it's not, then your light will probably be really good. If you have the sun hitting the window, one thing that you're gonna need is a curtain, a sheer curtain like this one right here, and maybe a tension rod or tension pole to set it up on that window. That's it. That's your setup. If the sun is super bright, maybe what you can do is with the curtain, maybe you can fold it into 2 layers so that way the light is a little bit softer. So the main goal here is to make your light very soft. And that's one of the key things that I use for my channel. If you look at all my videos shot here in the YouTube channel, I'm using a big softbox, and it's the same concept. The light, which is the sun, and then I'm using a diffuser, which is a fabric. In this case, we're going to be using our curtain or sheer to work as our diffuser. So it's pretty much the same setup. Now, I personally prefer a big light source, and if your window is big, that's going to be really good because it makes your skin and the shadows look very soft and nice. All right, I want to show you this example before and after. You won't notice much of a difference, and the reason why is because the sun is not hitting my window directly, which is a good thing. So I could have maybe opt out to use my curtain, but it does help a little bit, and you will probably notice on this clip. So let me show you. Here's the before, and here's the after. Very similar, but there is a subtle notice on the skin tones, a little bit softer on the after. Now remember, this will make a big difference if the sun is hitting your window directly. All right, so now I want to go ahead and show you a couple of photography, a product photography. In this case, since in this channel we shoot a lot of action figures and collectible, we're going to show you that, and maybe a product as a product photography. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this video. Just wanted to remind you that you can use this setup for almost anything. That includes portrait, YouTube videos, blogging, photography, product photography, you name it. The possibilities are endless with this lighting setup. So if you did like this video, if it was helpful, if you can give me a like, that helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. If you like the content I'm producing here on the channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, I will see you guys next time. Take care guys, bye.